So hello friends and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to unbox and review DOMS brush pen. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here we have 26 shades of DOMS brush pen, and we will try each one of its brush pen and review it. So let's unbox it. It consists of 26 brush pen, which includes 2 glitter brush pens also. One is of yellow glitter and second is silver. Yes, golden and silver. So I've taken my drawing copy and let's try out its shade. So let me show you this silver shade of DOMS brush pen. It is really very good shade. Let's open it. Yeah, so you can see its tip is so good and really flexible, and some other brush pens also, like this dark purple, pink and yellow brush pens. These are very cute brush pens, and each one of the brush pen is of good quality and its brush is not dry. It's in liquid state also, so its quality is good. So let's begin writing. So I've taken this silver brush pen, DOMS brush pen. So let's open it and write. So here I have put it up down strokes, and this is a thicker down stroke and thinner down stroke. So I actually don't know how to write calligraphy, but I'm trying it. So next I have taken purple brush pen, and its shade is very dark, purplish dark, and I'm writing wow in it. So here you can see. I don't know calligraphy, but let's try out. The tip of brush pen is really very soft and flexible, and it is very comfortable to write. And let's try out different shades. This is light purple shade which I'm trying out, and now this is dark pink shade. And if I compare this DOMS brush pen with other brush pens like Camlin brush pen, so I would recommend, both brush pens are good, but I would recommend to take DOMS brush pen because the tip of the brush pen of DOMS brush pen is really very good as compared to Camlin's brush pen, because I have tried both, but I liked DOMS. It was much better than Camlin. And this is of 26 shades. 12 shades brush pens are also available in market, which is around, I think, 300 rupees. Now this glitter, silver glitter brush pen, I'm putting in wow. I'm applying in wow, and you can see that the silver shade. So these are different shades of brush pen. Each shade is very good. And this is orange, pink, different shades are good. Now I am mixing the two shades with each other, and let's find out what the result will be. Now I think the colors are not really mixed well, so we can't see the results, as pink is not getting out on the paper. Now I'm trying to darken the pink upon orange. So this is, and we also have this black brush pen which is really dark in color. It is very dark, and these are our different shades. There are so many color. Even if of blue there are 3 shades of blue, of yellow there are 4 shades of yellow, green, black, brown, etc. And this is of dark green color. And let's apply it. Yes, this is, I'm writing brush on it. I'm trying to write beautifully, but my handwriting is not so good. So these brush pens are really very fun to play with it. They are very enjoying. When you are bored, just take this brush pens and try out on your copy. And now I'm applying thick stroke, and then less thicker, and then thinner stroke, and more thinner stroke. So I will put the link in description so that you can buy it. In Flipkart it is showing rupees 400 around. So this was all about brush pen, and I have tried this drawing with brush pen of different shades. You can see it is really very cool. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and bye. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in next video.